Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel that features only the best of the best when it comes to epic bikers moments caught on their camera. This episode is going to be packed with some of the most epic encounters you've ever seen, so make sure to stick till the end. Without any further ado, let's get this episode underway. In this situation here, the biker got cut off by a driver who clearly saw him. The road driver took his right of way like he didn't even exist, but the biker made sure to let him know. And this is how it all looked like.
Jesi me vidio je rad? Pa šta? Možda pogini. Skrećuješ že ne treba, vidiš da skrećuješ že ne treba. Preko punije skrećiš. Znači, idem prema tebi i ti mi uzmaš prednost, pa jaran je normalan. Pa mogao sam pogin, bolan sad. Kočim čovječe, vozi, kako to tako? Aj. Pa nisam, skrenuo bi ja lijevo, ali ne pazi, gled general. Jesi joj idiot?
Evo ja sam se vratio da sam sjedeš.
Sve, general ne vozim, uzim preko. Hvala, svaka.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you.
Pay close attention at the biker in front. Believe it or not, but he lost his seat as he rode over a speed bump. His buddy was right behind him, and luckily he noticed it all.
Oh, did it?
It's mind-boggling how a lot of people lack in knowledge about filming in public. Everyone is allowed to film whatever and whomever they want in public, and this biker wanted to make a report about how the city workers are doing a great job. But the city workers themselves were not too pleased about being on camera.
What's up? What's up?
These city workers were not happy to be on camera, and they were even less pleased about the fact that the biker was filming the company truck. Having their fragile ego hurt, they resorted to calling the cops. And boy oh boy.
What is this subject trying to do? Hilarious.
That's what you did. You walked up flipping me off.
After you called me a coward, the camera doesn't lie, Mr. City Worker. The camera never lies.
You're harassing people.
You have failed this.
Coward.
What's up?
The cops arrived at the scene and, of course, they realized straight away that nothing was wrong here. They even gave this biker a cool fist bump and moved over to educate the city workers on some basic First Amendment rules. There is a certain time limit as to how much a vehicle can stay on this parking lot, but the biker has a proof of one guy outstaying his welcome there for quite a while now.
You guys know I have proof of your employee living here for 3 weeks, right? A whole month almost. Your employee. Got it on camera. I'm gonna show Squim that only certain people can stay here every once in a while. Only your employees.
Biker filmed someone dumping trash in the forest, but that's not all. He managed to find the culprit shortly after and he confronted him about it. And this is how it all turned out.
Where was you born?
California. But I've been back and forth since '86.
But no, it is hard to find some YouTubers' actual names.
Yeah, I don't need to know their names.
Oh, I don't want to know none of that.
I know. That's weird. I would never want to know any of that.
So let's see. How long have you been on YouTube?
You can do your research.
Well, yeah, it has it on here for this one.
Nomad Moto?
Yeah, 2018.
Probably about so.
But that's just for this channel. You could have had previous channels.
No, just
you
that
could have
channel.
other channels.
No.
Some people have multiple channels. Well, no. So you have how many? Okay. There's a lot of people who hate.
I'm the
police.
press. Why would I hate cops?
Well, everybody who has a
Who?
YouTube account is the press.
Exactly.
Crazy taxi driver forced his way in front of the biker without a second thought. He didn't care about anything or anyone at all. No use of turn signals, and definitely ignoring the biker as if he didn't even exist. It's dangerous to come across a drunk guy in traffic, since they pose a threat to everyone else, including themselves. That danger is even amplified if you're on two wheels, because all it takes is one small contact and the biker would be in serious trouble. Unfortunately, this crazy driver wasn't so eager to drop things like the biker, so he started following him around, and he even dangerously overtook him, but the situation still didn't end there.
What are you doing? I have you on camera. I got you on camera.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Jesus Christ, Prown!
A lot of drivers, especially nowadays, tend to make a lot of mistakes while driving. This biker caught some red light runners, drivers who use their turn signals too late or not at all, and drivers who don't know they have side mirrors. Make sure you learn from these mistakes here, guys.
Okay. Oh, we went through a red light. Not good. That's a good one.
If you don't look at your side mirrors before making a lane change, you can never know if someone is there next to you. Drivers don't think about those things like that, but they should. Unlike the previous encounter, this driver at least indicated, but he started changing lanes immediately after that. The disrespect here came when the driver refused to pull back, even after the biker's constant honking.
Estoy yo, papá. ¿Qué te pensás? ¿Y qué me importa la luz de giro? Y bueno. Y no, pero yo estoy en este carril, papá. Estoy yo en este carril. Por más que pongas luz de giro, no tenés el paso. ¿El qué? Está bien, tenés razón.
Self-entitled driver thinks that he is too good to be driving in one lane, so he decided to take up two, because he obviously thinks he deserves it.
Cabecita, bobo, bobo, bobo!
Entendeu? Falta de respeito, velho. Entendeu? Caraca! Caralho, que filha da...
Ah, revivo, loco. Sí, veo. Frená como quiera, padre. Pase, pase, pase. Nadie le dijo nada, señor. Pase, señor. No se enoje.
This reckless driver had some difficulties in picking a lane to drive in, and on top of that, he nearly hit a biker as well.
Mientras estábamos acá con el Peugeotini Toretto. Dale, dale, pasá, pasá, boludo. Fuera del colectivo. Y después de que pasó por afuera del colectivo, ahí puso el giro. Es una hija de pupu. Tremenda. ¿Este? Está de mujer. ¿A dónde va?
This video is a proof that you need your gear as a rider. Even if no driver is causing any problems, other things easily can.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch.
In this situation here, the biker came across two drivers who jeopardized his safety in a matter of moments. First one tried to push him off the road, and the second one drove by so fast that he nearly knocked him off his bike. With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something from the mistakes you saw. After all, this channel is there to help you think about all the bad decisions done in traffic and improve you as a driver.